Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to do a test on the motor scooter. I forgot to put a rubber band on the phone mount, but I'm filming it with the GoPro, just doing a test in 4K. I did a 5K test today, which we'll see how that goes, but do apologise for that rattle on the phone thing. So yeah, we're just going to go for a cruise. I just got to go pick up a mouth guard at the dentist, because I chipped my tooth the other day. Not the other day, but I did have it fixed the other day. It was just a little chip, not noticeable, but yeah. So just on the way to the dentist in Kuta. Hey, g'day buddy. How's your helicopter, mate? Have you got a helicopter today for me? How are you, mate? All right. Off to the dentist to pick up a mouth guard. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Where are you going? Looking for customer? No. Yeah.
I'm just coming back from Ubud and I went back.
Oh, Ubud? Yeah. How long did that take you? It took me an hour to get out there.
With the car before.
Oh, I rode there on my last trip, and it took me an hour and a half because I got lost. And I even had navigation.
Only 1 hour.
Yeah, but I got back from Sanur to here in about 23 minutes. Yeah, I'll go to Sanur sometime this week, I think. But I've got to go anyway. I'll chat to you later, buddy. Thanks. Yeah, that bloke there, he's one of the locals that does like taxis and motorcycles. Like he works pretty much near the hotel I stay in. He always asks if I want a lift. But no, it's their job actually. Like, like I've said countless times, it can be a bit annoying when like they ask you bike and you have a bike, but you know, like you have to chill out a bit. You know, and just laugh with them. Yeah, if you get a bit niggly, yeah. But no, I try my best to just have a laugh with them, and yeah. But like the only thing I get annoyed about, like when you're walking in certain areas, you'll get asked for like if you want some substances and stuff. So that's the only thing I have repeatedly said I find frustrating. Actually, yesterday I was on the bike because I hired this one yesterday. I got a 125. Last time I was out here, I had the 160 what was it, the V Max? I don't know. Yeah. But this bike's okay. Like, I'll go to Sanur, as I was saying to that bloke. It's only like maximum half an hour like away. And I was saying to that bloke, like, I went out to Ubud. I was just getting a bit tongue-tied there. And I was following the actual directions in the earpiece, and yeah, a couple of times I took the wrong turn off, but yeah. Yeah, like I do recall I was going through here and it kept telling me to go in circles. So for the first like 20 minutes in the trip, like I do find with the Google Maps out here, in a city or around Kuta, Legian is a bit woeful going through like the gangs. And you really got to keep an eye out on the bike in front of you and the bike behind you and the one on the side, or cars even, because a lot of them don't use an indicator. So you got to have eyes in the back of the head and on the side of your face as well. But don't take things for granted. Yeah, it'll only be a short ride, but I don't know how long I was chatting to that bloke for. But as you blokes know, I do like to have a chat. I did work at a place, and a couple of the blokes used to call me have a chat. But there's nothing wrong with having a chat. You know, I'm a pretty friendly guy. But yeah, I'm just off to my dentist here. It's not too far anyway. So it's more so just a test, but more than likely I'll release this. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Yeah, I'm out here for a couple of more weeks. Yeah, like everything got fixed at the dentist within like 5 minutes or less actually, so I was expecting it to be a bit longer, so perhaps I should have only stayed here for a week, but everything's all good. There is a nice river there. I should do something like that, but I do have to turn here. Yeah, this is a bit of a process, this place here. Like I was here like a month and a half ago, but this here's been like this in this state for the last 3-4 months, I'd say. So like the quite working quite slow. And these clothes are dirt cheap here, like very cheap prices. So I'm here at the dentist anyway. So if you've enjoyed, hit the likes. If you haven't enjoyed, hit the thumbs down, subscribe, unsubscribe, do all that fun stuff. And we'll see you on the next exciting adventure. Uru for now.